Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload files in Google Drive. It is quite an easy process, so make sure that you watch this till the end. Firstly, open up Google Drive. Now here, after you open it, you will see an option for plus. Tap on the plus icon. It will show you various options. You could upload directly from your device, or you can scan the file, or you can upload Google Docs, Google Sheets. If you want to upload a picture or a video, tap on. If the file is on your device, tap on upload. Now you will need to choose the file that you want to upload. Simply choose the file and the file will start to upload to Drive. After the file has been uploaded, you can once open up the file to check if it has been completed or not. So there you go, that's how you can upload file in Google Drive.